Alright, got this W202 vacuum element legroom flap, and it's making funny noises. Gonna try to open it up and take it apart and see what I can do with it. Ongoing whistling sound, C230. Fun. Okay, so I got this apart and found the crack here around the edge, probably where they normally do, cause whistling and noises, annoying sounds. And so anyway, I'm gonna try to do a little repair here with the rubber glove, and this is what the inside of this looks like. Just a spring, and pops open. Use some toothpicks, get that thing, wedge it open, and use a screwdriver. Alright, just got this rubber glove cut it out, use some glue for rubber cement, tire repair stuff, and I'm going to put it together. I was using some matchsticks to move the glue around. So anyway, the little tabs are back in there, and so I'm just going to put it back together and let it sit up a little while and reinstall. Hey guys and gals, okay, got it back together. Looks kind of funky because it's been smushed together, but I want to show you how this goes together there. It's just a little ridge in there, and it goes through there. It's pretty simple with the spring in there and stuff, kind of self-explanatory. And this just the retainer on this end goes on there. It just crimps on there, and you can take a screwdriver to undo it, and then once you're ready to put it back, you just squeeze it together. And that's got to be inside there, so it's all kind of together. Here it goes. Okay, so anyway, got a little bit of glue on there. What are you going to do? But who knows if this is going to have a reaction with the glue and this glove, so we'll see. I'm going to give it some time to set up and reinstall and test it. Okay. Alright, yep, take a look at this goodness. Well, fun. Get that back up in there, and rehook that up, and give it a try. It's tough getting that arm back up in there. You reach your hand up there to get it. Okay, well, I got the car back together, got the element in. The whole thing took me about 3 hours total, but it still beats taking the dash apart and all that kind of stuff. And anyway, one of the tricks is to get in the passenger seat and reach up. I really couldn't hold the camera and do all that at the same time, so I'll just explain what I did. To get the arm attached, you need to know what the orientation is before you take it out. So but I mean, it's just a matter of getting the whole element in there, and then actually mounting the element with the arm on it, and then taking the arm carefully and then attaching it to the flap lever. So you put the element on, and then into the mounting, which is really hard to see because it's usually all black, and then you know, then it's kind of a struggle, but hey, it beats taking the dash apart. The other concern was what the glue's going to do with the This is an old 300 SE car from, anyway, Matchbox, if you're wondering. Thought it'd be nice to see that. But is the another concern is what the glue may do to the rubber. I think that's going to be okay, but you know, the reaction of maybe the rubber glove to the glue, I don't know, you know, if they're compatible. But you know, I haven't seen anything on YouTube as far as doing any type of W202 repair for this. I've seen some pictures, you know, here and there, but really nothing. So I thought it'd be best to be nice for somebody that doesn't want to tear their dash apart, and that's for the legroom flap on the driver's side. All the other ones pretty much are really hard to get to, and as we know. Yes, but anyway, okay, thanks a lot.